back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to export every transaction with custom date filters in Empower. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to export every transaction with a custom date filter from your Empower personal dashboard web application, you can simply follow these simple easy steps. So once you are in your Empower account, all you gotta do is simply navigate to the transaction section. Once you click on overview, you can select the transaction menu from the left hand navigation bar. Now you can simply set the date range by the help of the transactions list. You will see a date range selector. You can simply use this to select your date, and then you can specify your custom date as well. You can select the custom date range option and you can simply type it in manually. After you have done this, you can apply filters, which is completely optional, and hit the export button to export the data. Now you can download the file and you can simply get it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.